Final sounds substitution. First grade phonics lessons with initial L-controlled consonant blends. Words from the short A word family by Letty's Lessons. These are the objectives and Common Core standards. This word is flab. Say flab. If you change the b in flab to what word do you have? Flam. If you change the in flam to t, what word do you have? Flat. If you change the t in flat to p, what word do you have? Flap. If you change the p in flap to b, what word do you have? Flab. This word is glam. Say glam. If you change the in glam to d, what word do you have? Glad. If you change the d in glad to what word do you have? Glam. This word is slab. Say slab. If you change the b in slab to what word do you have? Slam. If you change the in slam to p, what word do you have? Slap. If you change the p in slap to b, what word do you have? Slab.